Hi friends, this is Miss Ellen. Today we're going to go on another hunt for sunken treasure. We're going to read our math story again and practice working with our numbers. Before we start our hunt for treasure, we need to get our numbers ready. Let's pretend we're pirates on a hunt for the lost treasure. Say, "Arrgh!" Let's count to 10 and make our best pirate sound. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arg! Okay, here we go. The Captain Hook pirates are on the hunt for treasures. The pirates are going to sail the ocean blue to search for sunken treasure chests full of loot. This is going to be quite an adventure. Two ships set sail. The ships have their sails up. Look, one sail is in the shape of a triangle. The hunt for sunken treasure begins. After days of searching, a pirate finds two treasure chests. Then another pirate finds two treasure chests. They are equal, 2 and 2. Do you see the treasure chests? Two treasure chests and two treasure chests. They're equal. Which symbol means equal? That's right. This symbol means equal. Up here is a set of two treasure chests. Can you find the set that is equal? This set is equal. Very good. Remember what we said about the ship's sails? They're in the shape of a triangle. We practiced this yesterday. Can we count the sides on the triangle? 1, 2, 3. Yes, a triangle has 3 sides. We know that a triangle has 3 sides, but today I also want us to count the angles on a triangle. The angles are where the two sides of the triangle come together at a point. Let's count the angles on this triangle. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 angles on our triangle. So we know that a triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. Let's keep reading. The pirates open the treasure chest very slowly, and they find coins. Ahoy, mates! They find coins. Look at all the coins. Can we count the coins? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 coins. Your turn to count the coins. Yes, there are 5 coins. Nice counting. Then they find another treasure chest. There are 2 coins in this treasure chest. Let's come over to our set maker and let's make a set of 2 coins in our first circle. Are you ready? 1, 2. That's right. Great job making a set of 2 coins. Let's keep reading. Oh, wait. They find another one with 2 coins. Okay, let's come back to our set maker And now let's make a set of 2 coins in our second circle. Here we go. 1, 2. Great job! We made a set of 2 coins in our first circle and 2 coins in our second circle. How many coins do the pirates find all together? Good question. Let's go back to our set maker and we can add the coins together to find out how many coins the pirates find all together. We can take our hand and push the coins across our board. The pirates find 1, 2, 3, 4 coins all together. They had 2 coins plus 2 coins equals 4 coins. Yes, that's right. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. I forget. How many coins did the pirates have? Let's count them to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. The pirates found 4 coins in their treasure chest. Your turn. Can you count the coins? Yes, that's right. The pirates found 4 coins in their treasure chest. When the pirates line up their loot, they notice that it makes a pattern. The coins are in an A, B, C pattern. See? Silver, gold, bronze. Silver, gold, bronze. Can you find the ABC pattern? Remember, an ABC pattern will have 3 different objects. Yes, the bottom pattern is an ABC pattern. Silver, gold, bronze. Silver, gold, bronze. A, B, C, A, B, C. Let's go back to the treasure chest that the pirates found. I wonder how long this treasure chest was. Maybe we can use our paper clips to measure the treasure chest. We're going to line our paper clip up at the very edge of the treasure chest. Ready? Just like that. Now we line the rest of our paper clips up next to this paper clip to see how long the treasure chest is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our treasure chest is 5 paper clips long. Wow, that was so much fun hunting for treasure. Great job practicing your math and finding the sunken treasure.